Hello, today we will guide you through how to do paper trading in GoCharting. If you want to practice trading without risking real money, paper trading is a great place to start. It lets you test the platform, understand order types, and get comfortable placing trades in a simulated environment. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the basic process inside GoCharting so you can place a sample trade and then review it. To begin, go to the Trading Hub in GoCharting. This is where you can access the trading interface and get started with the platform's tools. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Launch GoCharting Free and click it. This will open the trading terminal you'll use for your paper trades. After the terminal opens, move your attention to the bottom of the screen and click on Account. Here, it's important to make sure the account is set to the GoCharting simulated browser environment. This is the paper trading mode, and checking this first helps ensure that any trade you place is only for practice and not connected to a live account. Next, click on Trade. This opens the order entry area where you can choose how you want to place your trade. You'll see different order types such as limit, market, stop, and stop limit. Take a moment here to select the one that matches your preference. A market order is generally used when you want the trade executed as quickly as possible at the current price, while a limit order allows you to specify the price you want. Stop and stop limit orders can be useful when planning entries around certain price levels. Choose the one that fits your intended setup. Once you've selected and adjusted the order type the way you want, click Buy to place the paper trade. This sends the order into the simulated system so you can see how it behaves just as you would in a live trading interface. After placing the trade, click on My Orders to check it. This section helps you confirm whether your order has been placed, and depending on the order type you selected, whether it is pending or filled. Reviewing your order here is a useful habit because it allows you to verify the details and understand exactly what happened after submission. That's the full process for doing paper trading in GoCharting. As you practice, make sure to double-check the account mode before placing any order, and use My Orders regularly to keep track of your activity. With a little repetition, this workflow will quickly become familiar and much easier to navigate.